Welcome to DaVinci Resolve 16 video editing. If you have done a good installation for DaVinci Resolve and you started the application, you should be seeing the first panel, which is the project management panel. This is where you are going to create new projects and manage all your projects. Now, to create a new project, you can double click on Untitled Project. I don't like to use this option because it will create a project without a name and then you have to save as. I prefer to use the option New Project here, or better yet, to right-click and use the New Project option here. Notice that you have other options that we see during the course. So let's go ahead for New Project, and of course it prompts you for a name. I'm gonna call it Cut Page, just to start in the cut page, and you click on Create. Now DaVinci Resolve will open up and it will start in the cut page. Notice on the bottom over here you have several pages that you will be using. The first one is the media page. This is where you are going to import and organize your media. I will show you how later on. You have also the cut page. The cut page is meant for quick and easy video editing. You have a 30 seconds or 2 minutes video and there is not much editing. You bring it into the cut page and you will do it very fast here, and actually you can export it. The edit page is the main edit page for DaVinci Resolve. This is where you are going to do all your main editings for any kind of video you are using. The Fusion page is a specialized page for you guys who are interested for visual effects or motion graphics. You have the color page, which is the most important page in DaVinci Resolve, where you are going to do the color correction, applying LUTs if you like, some windows, some tracking, and so many other things. We will see this page in lots of details later on. You have the Fairlight page. This is a very specialized page if you are an audio engineer. If you're doing simple videos, you will not need this page. This is mainly for the audio engineer who wants to do lots of mixings and stories. You have at the end the Deliver page. This is where you are going to produce your video, and notice you have so many formats and so many options. We'll go through this page in details later on. So now to start up, we are going to start in the cut page to show you some quick and easy video editing to start you up in DaVinci Resolve. Later on, we'll start the media and the edit pages and the others. Thank you. I will see you in the next lecture.